Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be looking at lens conversion factors for the Fujifilm X100 Mark VI. You probably know this camera has a cropped sensor, and with the 23mm fixed lens the full frame equivalent is 35mm. But we can also add conversion lenses to this camera. The wide lens, which will give us 28mm, and the telephoto conversion, which gives us 50mm. While that's fine with photographs, 6K video, however, is totally different. We'll have a quick look at some tables that I've drawn up. Then as soon as the rain stops, we'll get outside and find a good location to demonstrate the conversion factors. Let's get on with it. The Fujifilm X100 Mark VI has a cropped sensor with a 23mm lens, which is the full frame equivalent of 35mm. So if we come down to the bottom, this is the standard focal length, which for taking photos is equivalent for 35mm. The telephoto conversion lens, we need to multiply that by 1.4, and that gives us the 50mm equivalent. When we look at the wide conversion lens, we need to times 35mm by 0.75, which gives us the 28mm. Now that's absolutely fine. Now when we get to video, with a frame rate of 24, 25 and 30, in 4K these lens equivalents are the same. If we shoot in 24, 25 and 30 in 6.2K, there's an extra crop factor. So the 35mm becomes a 43mm. And then when we take into account the telephoto, the teleconversion multiplication factor of 1.4, it actually gives us a 62.2mm equivalent lens. Then likewise, if we convert by the wide angle factor, which is 0.75, we end up with a 32.25mm equivalent. Next we're going to get out and have a look at it in real life. I'm off to do the experiment. But it looks like some of the rivers have, some of the streams have burst their banks, and we're having a little mini flood. The river there's burst its bank, coming out the side. Another one there, coming down the field. That's not actually a river or a stream, it's just water. And straight over the wall. And we got about an hour's respite from the rain, so I've managed to get up on the hill to a place where I thought is a really good place to show the perspective between the different lens types and between taking photos and how it changes when you shoot 6K video. So I set myself up. Set myself up here. Now that little pinnacle there is going to be the centre of focus. We're just going to keep that there and take the photo, take the video, and then change the lenses for each time. So I'll get on with that and I'll see you later. Now we'll check out the comparisons. What do you think? And a question you might ask yourself is, what's the point of shooting in 6K video if it narrows the focal length of the lens and the converters, especially when we can shoot in the normal range at 4K? We'll address that in a future video. But until then, thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you again.